Today, Year 9. So today we're looking at the unitary method, but first of all, we need to do a bit of revision. So last lesson we were looking at rates and ratios. Specifically, we were looking at ratios. And, whoops, go back. So what we were looking at was simplifying ratios. And we said that we just have to divide all the numbers by something that goes into them all. And the example we've got here, we've got 15 and 5, 20 and 35. And we're going to divide them all by 5, and we end up with a ratio 3, 4, and 7. Now, other stuff, we can do it on the calculator using the fractions key. Make sure when you're writing your simplified ratios, you write them without units. And if the units are different, make sure you convert to the same unit first. Exclamation point. Because it's really important that you compare the same things with the same things. So, we've got 6 days and 3 weeks. They're in different units. So to get from 3 weeks to days, we're going to multiply this one by 7 and we get 21 days. Once we've done that, we can simplify it down further. We can get rid of the units. We've got 6 to 21. Then we can go through and we can divide by 3 on both sides. Once we're divided by 3, we get 2 is to 7. Now, sometimes you're going to get them with fractions and decimals. Whoops, go back up. So, to get rid of decimals, the shortcut method is just to pick the only hole and it don't work. Okay, let's go to the pen then. All we need to do is just multiply by 10. And we keep going until we get rid of these decimal points. So sometimes you might have to multiply a lot. But remember, when we're multiplying by 10, we're just moving the decimal point. All the way down until we get one that doesn't have decimals in it. Once we got there, what we do then is we can keep going. We just need to divide by whatever goes into it. In this case, 125 is a really good one. So I divided them all by 125. And I get 5 to 20. Now, can I go further? Well, yeah, I actually can. 5 goes into 5 once, and 20 goes into 5 4 times. Not exactly what we were looking at when we started. So that should be enough to get you started. Here's the questions you need to do today. Just have a crack. Some of you will have completed most of the first bit. I just want you to go up to question 9. We're going to skip 10 and then have a look at some of the more interesting questions, 12 to 13. Have a nice day.